Swan family in Malmö. This was a rather quiet place several years ago. I will show you this road. But today there are so many cyclists of different ages, and actually this is not for them, it's for us, for pedestrians. And they're very much disturbing regular people because they are too fast, and I think it is dangerous, and I absolutely don't like it. I don't know. I think they should have special places, not with a lot of children, with mothers. So I don't know, it's my opinion. And you see, it's not only cyclists, my dear friends. I don't like it, but what to do? And this is a family of swans, mama, papa, obviously, and 4 children. If you know, swans live all their life together, I mean couple. They get married and then they are together all their lives. And if something happens with one of them, they do not get married next time. They are very beautiful animals, I think so. I am in Kokum-treated area. I will turn a little bit and you will see there is Kokum. There is a lot of noise today from everywhere. I wish you all have a good summer and a nice day, my friends.